Welcome to day 7. We did make it to Virginia at my parents' place. This is a local battlefield called Cedar Mountain, which was fought during the Civil War. This Virginia has upwards of like 200 battle sites. Battle Cedar Mountain, a narrow victory. My command did not want to back out. We had backed out enough. Unwilling to allow such a movement, we tasked General Thomas J. Stonewall Jackson and 24,000 men with the defense of the town. General Nathaniel Banks, in the vanguard of Pope Army, led his corps to the Culpeper County on August 7th. American Battlefield Trust, preservation Americans' hallowed ground forever. We can never forget what they did here. Battle sites saved by the American Battlefield Trust. You see all the sites where the Battlefield Trust of America are being saved, but you can see most of stuff happened right here: Virginia, West Virginia, and Maryland. Just a quick review. We did arrive yesterday. Sorry I did not film that. We were unpacking, had to get some groceries, and I made dinner. And I just wanted to relax the rest of the night. It was a long drive. But yeah, this battle site is actually about 2 miles from my parents' place, so it's actually pretty close, so we wanted to do that. And yeah, we're now gonna walk through the land where this battle happened. Is it scraping a lot more dirt? What tripped you right there? I don't see the root. What tripped you right there, bud? Or you just fell out of your shoe?
Don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Oh! Yep, that would do it. That right there, that would do it.
That's very hidden in there, isn't it?
A witness tree. Ha ha. This thing is definitely saw it. This thing is gorgeous. This black oak was a mature tree on August 9th, 1862, when the 3rd Wisconsin unsuccessfully attacked Jackson's left flank directly in front of you. I know the cannons are that way. The reddish orange dirt is because it's high in clay.
Yeah, and there's one that's right there.
The brigade then opened fire upon the enemy, and having discharged several volleys which seemed to confuse him, I immediately ordered the brigade to charge. With orders was promptly executed and with fine effect. Colonel Charles Randall, Stonewall Brigade, Confederate Southern Army. See here, all along the lines the men were following fast. In addition to the fire which came from the fence in the woods across the field, men were concealed behind the wheat shocks in the field and had a deadly range upon us. Remental, historian, 27th Indiana Infantry, United States Army. So you are here. Sorry about the camera. There we go. You're here. Archers, the ranch, Ronald, tender crop field, wheat field. Gotcha. Jackson is with Stonewall Jackson was on the far right of the line when his left collapsed. Jackson heard the desperate fight before he saw his panicked men streaming rearward. He spurred his horse forward and tried to unsheath his sword, which had rusted into his scabbard from disuse. Jackson raised the whole package over his head, seized a flag from a nearby color barrier, and skidded to a halt in the woods in front of you, crying. Jackson is with you. Stonewall Action halted the rout, and his broken men began to rally. Key points of observation while your artillery has fire during certain ranges. Awesome. Coca. Key terrain, observation, and field of fire, cover and concealment, obstacles, avenues of approach and retreat. Coca. Field of fire. See, down at that corner was also another rifleman. And that would most likely be like the Union Army trying to work their way up these lines, take over the field. Thanks for watching the Battle of Cedar Mountain video. Hopefully see you in the next one. Bye.